Entry number 3, Rosary School Incorporated, J. Arroyo Street del Rosario, Baao, Camarines Sur. Entry number 3, Rosary School Incorporated. Principal, Maria Eusebia Gaiti Quiñones, Corps and Staff, James Werrell I. Blanquera, Corps Commander, Maria Josefa Shaina I. Blanquera, Corps XO, Masaki Fukita, Corps S2, Kyle Angelo Moncayo, Corps S3, Nicole Adeline Taduran, Corps S4, Natalie Nicole Bisinyo, Corps S7, Majors Leader, Nika B. Baksain, Band Leader, Dwight Howell B. Carmona, Company Commander, Tarak Givin Rivera, Company XO, Loy Paz, First Platoon Leader, Boys, Mark Berry, Aim Angel, Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Luis Rian de la Rama, CAT Facilitator, William Jefferson B. Botor, Band Advisor, Mark Nels Madong, Major Trainer, Emil M. Maestrado, Band Master Trainer, Albert Plazo. Entry number 3, Rosary School Incorporated, J. Arroyo Street del Rosario, Baao, Camarines Sur. Number 3, from Rosary School Incorporated from Baao, Camarines Sur. Next entry. Entry number 4.